Alright, welcome back everybody. Turn 10 of Brain. Uh, yes, I am going to keep saying it that way. Let's see what we got. So some enchantment. It looks like a built-in profit name, which is the most important thing to check for. Some earth gems, some patrolling. Continue to... Oh wow, Alma's right there. Wait, I already knew that. But I can continue to poke around here and see what I can find out. Let's see. Do I have enough dudes yet to take on this province? Probably not. So we'll continue working on that. Finally got myself a water guy, so he's going to make it rain. I've talked about this in some other videos, but this is Dominion's enhanced spell that gives you 10% more income, and so this late age province is going to be effectively alchemizing these water gems at 37 gold per, which is damn good. We've got Mistform, Iron Skin, like we've got all the goodies here. Is there something else I can add? Oh, Flying Shield. That'll be fun. So we'll just have him buff the hell out of himself. And I guess he can't reach any of these places in one turn, so he'll just go that way. We'll give him a ring, and then on his way back, he'll go and pick up these water provinces. I think that he can also take on these militia and heavy cavalry. But there's always the chance that softens it up for me, so I'll go ahead and wait on that for now. Gondwana has spread out. I guess this is not too much of a spread. It's 3 away from them, which is the same as the other province I let them have. But they are big. So that might be a problem. I've got an non-aggression pact with them. The only neighbor that I haven't actually talked to is so I guess that means that they're probably the most likely one to threaten me, just because that's how these things work. We can go ahead and recruit Admiral. This guy's got good leadership. He's got the tax collector ability. Both of those are things I'm very happy to have. And then we can fill in the rest with another priest. Oh, that's all of my command points, so that'll be fine. Yeah. And fingers crossed, maybe 6 guys will be enough. The plan will be to head south and then boat over to Hamane and hopefully finally take that province out. Meanwhile, ACDC will take these guys out. Mercenaries. Got to start from one of my provinces. This guy would basically just be a researcher for me. It's not worth it. Fortuna. Head takers, okay. Is there a place where I can build a fort? I haven't discovered any sites that I want to make sure to fort up. So I guess I'll just save my money for right now. But that is a thing, because money saved is... Like, you don't want to be saving money. You want to be putting money to use. Can use a bit of it grabbing an astrologer instead. This guy has these cross paths that are nice, and the fortune teller, it's not a big deal, but it'll add up. Still got to make sure to get the admiral. Admiral costs a decent amount of resources, but I am flush with resources, so maybe I shouldn't have taken so much turmoil, but... Oh no, I had a good reason for that, the Bravos, yeah. I can move one of these guys out here, and then he'll be ready to build a lab when that Palisades comes online. He can head out here for the same reason. I don't need to worry about temples, because temples are stupid. Alright, I think that's... Oh, research. Working back on alteration, aiming to get... We do have Desert Winds, which is a powerful spell. It's basically Wind Guide and Flame Arrows in one, but you need Fire and Air Crosspath. And I have Fire and I have Air, but I don't have the Crosspath. So, alas, alack. These two guys can start site searching. It's never too early to start site searching, so let's go ahead and do that now. So actually, maybe instead of getting the Astrologer, I should get another Alchemist. Because, yeah. He will have Fire and Earth guaranteed, so he can join another site searching party. Alright, scouting. Continue to poke around here and see what Gondwana is up to. I'm going to be parking a scout there long term for sure. Lemuria. Okay, so Lemuria built these forts next to each other, which means they're less concerned about resources. And they're sharing territory with Satis in an interesting way. So I'll continue to nose around over there and see what I find. What is Yoman doing? Maybe they just randomly went west? Huh. I'll keep looking. And continue recruiting scouts in the south and scouts in the north, because you can never have too many scouts. Let's get one there too. I guess this doesn't need to be on repeat because I'll have a fort up and then I'll have better things to do. Alright, that was turn 10, so you want turn 11.